Hi, welcome to this class. Now, in this class, we'll be talking about the substring statement. The substring statement is a very interesting statement that allows the user to select certain part of a field that he wants to see. So, for instance, we have this urban areas dataset. In the urban areas dataset, we have a couple of fields. We have the urban area code, the name, all these interesting fields. Now, if we will be only interested to seeing like the first letter of, the first four letters of each name, and then this is the only thing that we need, then we could use a substring function. So how do we do this? Basically, we just come here and we run the query. So we have so we have our query, which is basically trying to select name, and then we are trying to select a substring, right, of the name. So now what is the arrangement of the substring? So first you put the function, the field that you would like to see, then the position where you would like to start from, right? And then how much to the right would you like to go? So if you would like to go 4 spaces to the left, then you will put 4 here. And then you can run your query basically, right? So when you run this, what you will get is, you will get the first 4 letters. So if we call this sub name, for instance, so here you will get the first 4 letters, which is very, very good. Now, this is like the first 4 letters. And assuming maybe you would like to start from position 5 and you would go like 4 positions to the front. So basically you could start substring at name and then position number 5, and then you want to go 4 letters, deep. So here what happens is when you run this query, what it automatically does, it starts from position 5. So you have Jack Sunville. So it starts at position 5 and then it goes 4 spaces to the left. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is because we have specified that it should start from 5 and go 4 spaces. Now, it's also possible to say we do not want to specify how many spaces it will go. So if we do not specify, what happens is it starts from position number 5 and goes till the end of the word. So basically here you will see like it starts from position 5 and then goes till the end of the word. Now, another thing is this position of the name of, the name has been, identified by the database as position 1 for J, 2 for A, 3 for C, and down the line the same way, in a progressive manner. However, also, what it has also done is it has also identified the reverse counting method. So basically, the reverse counting means that it has identified C as -1, N as -2, and so on and so forth. So if we will be interested in getting the last 2 letters, then we could just basically say, hey, we want to start from -2 till the end. And then we do not have to count the number of spaces that it will go. And then when we run this query now, what we get is the last 2 digits, the last 2 letters of each, each case. And then we get the last 2 letters, right? So this is, another thing that you could use substring for.